Okay, after you finish your math test today, you're going to do some thinking about our carrots. And what you see here is a picture of our carrots. This is what they look like. So it has been about 18 days since we started this. And let's see, it is the it's October 23rd. So maybe it's been about 19 days since we started this. But we started out with really nice bright orange carrots, and this one here was carrot number 1, and it started out weighing 53 grams, and this was carrot number 2, and it started out weighing 55 grams. And so what I've done is I've went ahead and found the mass of the carrots, and you can see here, maybe if I can get this off of here. Well, I'll have to just tell you. There we go. Okay, so as you can see here, down here, carrot number 1 went from 53 grams, and after 17 days, it weighed 4 grams. So think for a minute, how much did carrot number 1 lose? And then carrot number 2 started out at 55 grams, and after 17 days, 16 days had passed, it was 4 grams. And then carrot number 1, I weighed it again today, after 17 days have passed, and it is 4 grams. And carrot number 2 is also 4 grams. And my guess is if I were to weigh it again tomorrow, it would probably still weigh about 4 grams. They're very dried up. They're kind of hard. A little bit bendy, but very, very dry, very brown. Okay, so think for a minute if you were going to plot this, and actually I would like for you to plot it. So get your number corner book, turn to page 12 where we've been plotting this data, and remember that we always go over first and then up, over and then up. So if we were going to plot the data on this graph, we would first figure out how many days have passed. So we know that we had 17 days had passed, and we would go up to about 4 grams. So go ahead and plot that data. And the coordinate pair for that would be parenthesis 17 comma 4 parenthesis. So let's see if I'm gonna have to leave this view to do this. So I'm gonna pull this dot down here. And we always go over first. So we start at 0 and we go over to 17 days past and up to 4. Okay, and the coordinate pair would be 17 comma 4. And then we would do the same for carrot 2. And it's going to be hard to see both of them because they're in the exact same place. See that? Okay. And then after 18 days have passed, over 18 and up still just to 4. So it seems to me like if I was going to keep drawing these lines, eventually it seems like my line's going to kind of get flat. So I'm going to go from there to there. Whoops. And then from the 14th day to the 17th day, it's still kind of slanting down. And then from the 17th day to the 18th day, it's straight across, isn't it? It didn't go down anymore. It stayed the same. And then the same thing with the red line. That red. Still going down. Right? And then straight across. So if we look at our data from the very beginning and we look at our line, we see that our line starts, it's just going down, 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 down. And that indicates to us that the carrot is getting smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller as the days go by. Both carrots did that actually. Both carrots went down, 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 down as the days went by. So what you're going to do is answer the discussion question that's posted in Schoology, and the question's just asking you to think about how might this line be different? How might this sort of shape that we've created here, this downward line, be different if the carrot would have been stored somewhere else? The carrots. Okay, so that is what you are responding to in that discussion.